Welcome to the User Tour Guide of NAS web application. The application will help you upload survey data, generate district report cards, and will also be used for updating and tracking key survey activities. Visit the website naslo.ncert.gov.in. Use the username and password received by you on your mobile phone in the form of an SMS to log into the web application. Manage users. This section is only for state coordinators. Let us see how a state coordinator will create users for the district MIS coordinator. On clicking User Management under Manage Users tab, the state coordinator will be directed to a page to create a user for district. To create a district level user, the state coordinator needs to select the district from the drop-down menu. After selecting the district, the state coordinator has to fill in the name of the new user, that is, District MIS Coordinator's name. Once the name is filled, it generates a login username for the District MIS Coordinator automatically. Next, the state coordinator needs to fill the other fields: phone, designation, and email ID of the District MIS Coordinator being created. Once the details are filled in, the state coordinator then proceeds to provide the required access rights to the District MIS Coordinator being created. The access is given in 5 categories: users, student background data, student response data, progress tracking, and reports. The state coordinator decides what kind of access the District MIS Coordinator gets: add, edit, view, and delete, and selects the type of access, tick mark, to be allotted. After selecting the access rights, the state coordinator clicks Save. The new District MIS Coordinator is created and gets added to the list below. Enabling, disabling users. The state coordinator has the rights for editing and enabling or disabling the created users. The action buttons at the end allow the state coordinator to manage the list of District MIS coordinators. The enabled users display an edit and disable icon at the end. The disabled users display an edit and enable icon at the end. Every new user that is created is enabled by default. When the state coordinator clicks the Disable User button, a dialog box appears. The state coordinator clicks OK to disable that particular District MIS coordinator. When a user is disabled, he can no longer sign into his account till he is enabled again. Change password. To change password, the user clicks Change Password under the Manage Users tab. User first enters his current password in the Old Password field, followed by the New Password in the New Password field. Next, the user confirms the new password by entering it again in the Confirm New Password field. Once done, user clicks Change. A window appears confirming the password change. Now let us see how can a user upload the data from the survey on the NAS web application. Once the OMRs have been received from the field, the District MIS Coordinator needs to follow the following steps to be able to upload the data from the survey on NAS web application. The user selects the Import Data from CSV under the Enter Student Data tab. The user then selects the state or union territory and district using the drop-down options. Once this is done, the user clicks the Download Template button to download the student data template onto his computer. The download will start only after user selects any grade. The template document has all the required fields like student ID, student responses, etc. The user fills up this template document offline with all the required valid student information. Once the information is filled, the user saves the file. After the file is saved, the user clicks the Browse button and selects the location of the file. Then he clicks Upload. The filled-in CSV document gets uploaded to the system. Let us find out how a user can edit the student details once the data has been uploaded. The user selects the Edit Student Data under the Enter Student Data tab. On clicking Edit Student Profile, the user will be directed to a page to edit any existing student profile. To find a particular student profile, the user needs to select the state or union territory, district, block, cluster, and school name using the drop-down options. Alternatively, the user can enter the school's UDISE in the field provided and click Search. The state, district, block, cluster, and school fields get automatically populated based on the UDISE ID. The user can further filter the list of student profiles by selecting the grade type and student list. After selecting any particular student details for which user want to edit the data, that student details and student response will display, and user can only edit the student details. The student response data will remain locked. User then clicks on the Save and Next button after editing the details and clicks OK to proceed. This module will allow a user to upload data for 3 kinds of questionnaire: Pupil Questionnaire PQ, Teacher Questionnaire TQ, School Questionnaire SQ. To upload the data for these 3 kinds of questionnaires, click on Questionnaire Data Entry under Enter Student Data tab. User needs to select the questionnaire type first from Select Type drop-down to download the required CSV template. After user clicks on any desired questionnaire type, for example, select TQ from Select Type drop-down, then clicks on Download Template button. The respective CSV template will be downloaded. After downloading the required CSV file, user needs to fill the valid data in that file accordingly. After filing the data in file and saving it, user can upload it by first browsing it by clicking on Browse button and then selecting the respective file type from Select Type drop-down and upload it by clicking on Upload button. The NAS web application will also be used for monitoring the status of key survey activities. The District MIS Coordinator will update the status for the district, which can be seen by the State Coordinator NCERT and Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD. Monitoring progress by a State Coordinator. To view the progress of survey up to district level, a State Coordinator will log in to the application. After login, click on View Progress tab. After clicking on View Progress tab, a screen will appear in which data of all districts under that state will display with different indicators. User can also select any particular district and see the data for that district. That will display with different indicators. Updating and monitoring progress by the District MIS Coordinator. To view and update the progress of the survey for a single district, a District MIS Coordinator will log in. After login, click on View Progress tab. After clicking on View Progress tab, a screen will appear. In this module, a District MIS Coordinator will consistently be updating the progress of the NAS activities on the fields mentioned in the web application. One can also view the district report card generated after uploading of the survey data is complete. A user with the access rights can also download the survey data for any state. Generating, viewing and downloading of the district report card. To download and view the district report card of students, user selects View Report from the View Reports Download Data tab in the main menu. User then selects the state, union territory and district using the drop-down options. The subject options under subject drop-down will only populate until any district gets selected from the district drop-down. After selecting grade and subject, user then clicks on the Download Reports button. The report gets downloaded. If given access rights, a user can also download the survey data once it has been uploaded. To download and view the data of students, the user selects Download Data from the View Reports Download Data tab in the main menu. User then selects the state or union territory using the drop-down options. The response data will get downloaded only if state, grade and set get selected from the drop-downs. After selecting the grade and test form, user clicks on the Download Response Data button and the data gets downloaded. Have a great time conducting this survey. Thank you.